Hello, classmates. My name is Michael Balderas, and I am going to give y'all a preview of my sports bar and grill website that I've created for the class and give y'all a tutorial. As you can see, this is the home page here. I have did the background in or the lettering in blue because my favorite um, team is the Dallas Cowboys, and the color is blue and silver, as everyone should know, I guess. But the background, I have select a picture of what the store, if I decided to open it, would be. It's a blue store. The name of the place I would call it is Mike's Sports Bar and Grill. Here it gives you a detail of what we will be doing there. At the bottom on the footer, I have how you can contact us, a phone number, and what our visiting hours are would be Sunday through Thursday, 10 to 2200 hours, which is 10 p.m. and then 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. Fridays and Saturdays. Um, it would be a little sports bar and grill. I would try to make it more finger foods and convenient. Location is downtown Littlefield. There's a bunch of small businesses there, so I think I would get a lot of business. But this is my homepage. When you clear the menu page, it takes you to the menu website. Um, and I have a bunch of small finger foods here as it uploads. As you see, same background, kind of menu background. Finger foods, hot wings, sliders, fountain drinks would be fountain drinks, the beer, imported beer, chips and cheese dip, as you see, in corn dogs for the kids. Same thing, contact us. I also have an upcoming event where I would have people come in and put on concerts, local artists. As you see here, this guy right here is a local artist, and just a different kind of shows for people to put on. I do apologize about the page not uploading correctly. I don't know what happened there. Um, Pay-per-view events. I would host pay-per-view events for people to come up who don't want to be at home. They could come relax and join us on pay-per-view events and wouldn't have to worry about cleaning. As you see, WrestleMania, UFC fighting, boxing. I just made a couple of those up just to have something here so people could see. I have a where I would upload pictures and videos of different things that go on there, karaoke singing and stuff like that, of course, with people's permission if they allow. But this is where you would go to see that information. And then, of course, the last page would be to contact us. I would definitely want people to have any issues. As you see, it has the email address, the name of the person, why they're trying to contact me, and a message to leave. Background was I love the sunset, so I thought that would be a good contact background. But at work, come and looked at it. He gave me a thumbs up, good page, and then a map of where to locate us in case you couldn't. But this is my home page, and this is what I've in creating. Hope y'all like it, and y'all have a good day. Thank you.